Hello out there, folks on my YouTube channel and subscribers. It is Josh with a mechanic video today. Today we're going to talk about why engineers and mechanics do not get along and why mechanics hate engineers. What you are looking at is the front end of a Saturn Aura. Okay? That would be the loosened headlamp assembly. This would be the replacement headlight bulb. Okay. As you can see, I did finally manage to remove the blown bulb. Okay. And it looks really simple. I mean, it looks like there's just two bolts initially when you look at the car. You'll notice that the front bumper, the grille assembly, okay, it looks fairly cut and dry. A lot of automakers are doing this. You may notice that bolt right there, okay? That bolt goes through the fender. You have to pull the tire and wheel to get to that bolt. You may also notice the headlamp assembly is broken. Somebody's already changed this headlight, and instead of pulling that bolt, they broke the assembly to change the bulb. The reason you're looking at a pulled control module, a pulled battery, a pulled washer reservoir filler neck, the fuse panel, the control module, and the battery, is there is a nice little hole back here in the body of the front of the car. Unfortunately, as you can see the way it hooks down, let me go ahead and put this back in place and see if I can get it lined up. It covers the headlight. So it looks simple. Unfortunately, it becomes a daunting task. Okay. To do this. And the cars are getting more and more complicated to work on. This is why auto mechanics hate engineers. Installation of all these components is reverse of removal. I won't be doing a video on that because I've already been out here since 10 after 1 and it's 1:55. So if it took me 45 minutes to get it apart, you can imagine what it's going to take to get it back together. As always, guys, thanks for watching.